Daisies blooming, sundress swaying in the breeze. I can't stop staring. You've put a spell on me, and I hope that you never decide to set me free.
G'day folks, LJ Esquire and Tida here. Where are we, babe?
We are at Khao Narai Greenville something
Okay.
in Ranong.
We're in the Ranong province. It has been a pretty intense couple of days since we last seen you guys. Things didn't go exactly to plan. We had a few obstacles in the way, and actually last night our camping site just didn't deliver. But right now we are in an amazing location, really breathtaking between these mountains here. Tida did a great job finding this place on the map. We are just so blessed to be here. There's a few things around this province we want to explore. I believe there's a waterfall close by, isn't there, babe?
Yeah.
We might check that out tomorrow. I'm craving a Tida home-cooked meal, so Tida's just set up the cooker, and there's going to be a good feed on tonight, I think. Isn't there, babe?
I hope so. Gonna be a quick cook, like
Yeah.
noodle kind of
Yeah,
feeling.
yeah. This is going to be a great video anyway, guys, so enjoy the ride and hang out with us.
The way you're moving, it's got me moving my own feet. The greatest feeling.
I have learnt a lot about camping in Thailand over the last 48 hours. We had high expectations for some national parks. Of course, there's some beautiful forest land there to explore, but in terms of camping, the camping grounds that they allow you to use are really quite restricted. And that's where these private camping spaces, like the one we're in right now, become much more attractive because there's really no restrictions. We felt really welcome when we came here, and there's a communal space at the top of the block. People are really friendly and said, yeah, just park your van in and set up your camp. So yeah, pretty cool. All right, let's check out what Tida's up to. Check out her kitchen. What's happening in the kitchen, babe?
I just boil the noodle. Boil the noodle and I will make miso soup. And this thing gonna be like a kind of hot kaprao noodle.
We have upgraded a bit of our camping gear since you last seen us, and one of those things is lighting and a bed. We've got a much better bed this time, which I'm really looking forward to tonight. Listening to some beautiful sounds of nature as I fall asleep on my very comfortable air mattress. Tida has been talking about miso soup for the last few days, so she's finally getting her miso tonight. That's your babe.
We like something smell that have a good smell, right?
Okay, dinner is served.
It's like mixed Japanese and Thai because we have this thing soy sauce with chilies, and we have miso soup and 2 stir-fry instant noodle.
This woman is amazing. You've done it again. Really, really flavorful. Always full of flavour, her food. She doesn't mess around. And Tida and I really do share the same tastes in our food, don't we, babe? We like the same kind of flavours. We like it really spicy. The same kind of thing, so.
If it's not spicy enough, you can make
Yeah.
thing.
I love a bit of
Soy sauce.
Is you forever moving next to me?
Good morning, folks. We have just woken up in the small tent. I've had an amazing sleep. I think Tida has too.
Yeah, I just sleep like I don't know anything at all.
The mattress has been amazing. I think I heard it rain in the night. I wasn't sure, but like soft pitter-patter rain. It's very wet out here. Not what we were expecting. It's breakfast time at the camp. The sun has come out very quickly, within a matter of minutes. The sun is out and we're enjoying a little breakfast. Tita was gonna make pancakes, but
It's fail. I'm sad.
but I think we'll have another crack tomorrow or something.
Well, just put it on.
Yeah.
Mốt.
Tita is serving up a cracking breakfast. We've got muesli, mangoes, a little soy yogurt, and some dates. Have a look at that.
Sweetness look.
Yeah, that's enough, babe.
พอแล้ว เสร็จแล้ว finish cleaning.
We are about to leave the camp. We've had an awesome stay here. I can't recommend this place enough. I'll put the name and description down below. If you don't have a tent, they've got these big domes set up with tents inside. At first I was wondering why the dome, and in the morning I realised that mist is so thick here. There's so much precipitation on the tent, so I think that protects from all the moisture. Stunning view. So our camp was right here, overlooking jungle view. Tita's done a great job helping me pack up the campsite. So we're going to leave here and we're going to head to the other side of Thailand, and we're going to pass through a waterfall point along the way. Going to go for a little swim, aren't we?
Yeah, it's so hot now.
Yeah.
I really want to like watch myself and feel fresh again.
Yep.
Let's go.
Let's go. Okay, folks, we are just entering the Chumphon province. Chumphon. We are now over 300 kilometers away from Phuket, and we've driven the whole time extremely slow. Like, we are averaging 60 kilometers an hour, sometimes a lot slower going up these steep hills. So it's all about the slow drive, taking in the sights, and driving slow. There's a beauty to it.
Yeah.
There's a real peace to it.
Actually, when we first started, I feel like, oh, why we so slow. But for a while, you just adapt to it.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah.
Just adapt to it.
Yeah. All right, guys, we're in the forest. What's this place called, Ben?
Namtok Haeo Lom.
Yeah,
Haeo Lom waterfall.
we're in a bit of camo gear. We're having a bit of fun. Look at Jungle Woman here. She's right in it.
Try to do it.
We did see some other people trek past us earlier, so there could be some other people in here. Hey, a beautiful piece of forest. Lots of running water sounds, so we're going to find out where this water's coming from. Show you guys. Let's go.
Oh, some snail inside that thing. Whoa. I never see the tadpole so big like this before. A lot of fish and tadpole are really, really big one. And water here is so clear, man. Oh my God.
Tadpoles.
Yeah.
We found a nice little seat out in the forest, right beside the stream, under a shade of the tree. It's not bad, eh, babe?
Yeah.
We're kind of in the middle of nowhere. This is not a tourist spot at all. This is a waterfall way out on a turned off about 5 kilometres drive away from the highway. I would describe this whole camping experience as quite eye-opening, quite a spiritual experience. Spending every night in nature really does something to you mentally, shutting away from your mobile phones and devices for longer periods of time. It does something to your mental self and opens you up to experience other things that you may not otherwise experience, like getting more in touch with nature, the details of nature around you, the sounds, the feelings. It's all about connecting. So also, Tida and I have been spending a lot of time in Sparky together, in close vicinity, the small tent, and that can be quite intense for a relationship to be that close to each other non-stop. So we have had some challenges. We've had some ups and downs. We're not going to lie, we're not perfect. Everything isn't always roses, but I think it's bringing things to the surface and bringing out emotions and helping us express and share with each other more. Wouldn't you say? Yeah, so the connectivity with nature, the heightened emotional state, it's opening up the heart, this whole experience, I think, and I'm finding some growth in it. Don't worry, there's been points where I've gone, let's go home, you know, but when you find a place like this and you sit down and connect, it's all worth it. For now, we're just going to chill out here and have a little rest under the shade.
Come with me?
He's going for a swim. Check out a new hairstyle. I just discovered something today.
It's a bit cold, but it's good. It's feeling. Some fish is here. Some small fish. I really love it. I feel like this is what I'm searching for. Fresh air, you know.
It's beautiful.
It feels so good. I will swim with the fishes.
Hey! We can learn a lot from nature. Today I think my message was just to slow down a little bit.